Hello people, how are you? I hope all are doing good in your family and you are also well and fine. So here we are once again we're talking, and today's our topic is what is affiliate marketing and how can you guys start your business in affiliate marketing, being successful in affiliate marketing, because I'm doing also affiliate marketing. I'm also an affiliate marketing. I'm doing also affiliate marketing. So without wasting any time, we're starting on the topic. What is affiliate marketing? Started in 1989 and founded by William J. Tobbins. And William J. Tobbins is an American entrepreneur. He founded affiliate marketing method, not affiliate marketing industry. He founded this method for his company PPC followers. PPC following. Sorry, this is the basically you don't guys whatever you want to do with this name and work, you can search it on Google. Why did he found this matter for his company in brief if you really want, because here we are only on the what is affiliate marketing, how can we get succeed in affiliate marketing. So lots of people are thinking affiliate marketing is only done in the Amazon and Flipkart because it is the famous e-commerce sites in India. But guys, there is not a two e-commerce site is famous in India. We have to move on the international platforms if we want to good earn income, if we want to income in affiliate marketing. So with that platform is jbg.com and clickbank.com. These two are the very basic and good. You can earn a lot of income in these two platforms. So you have to visit affiliate marketing. You have to knowledge of internet marketing. You have to find a target audience. Suppose that if we are doing affiliate marketing in Amazon, so Amazon is providing the two types of product, like physical product and e-product, and I am just telling you e-product is less risky than the physical product, because physical products have their physical abilities and a type of damage there. Suppose that if the person is generated link on the Amazon on the electronic item, so if he generated a link and someone purchased that asset from a generated link, so Amazon timing is around 10 to 12 days where you can get dispatch your finally outcome of that product. So guys, there is a less outcome, you will get the commission on that, because Amazon, through the Amazon policy, there is a 7-day return policy. If the consumer return that good, you will not get any commission on this. You will be not in a loss because you invest your time. In affiliate marketing, it's always focus on your learning. If you guys focus on learning, whenever your learning L will be removed from your learning and you start good. And you guys know what I want to tell you. Sorry, and please sorry for in advance if I'm good in English, but I'm trying to explain you in good, because lots of people outside India last 3 to 4 days asking me, please explain us what is affiliate marketing, we also want to start with you. So that's why I make this video for the international people. Those, I know you guys don't want to start the business in affiliate marketing because you guys don't trust on me, but these guys have trust, and these all actually they don't have knowledge to how to start affiliate marketing. So I just make this video for those people who really want to start. So this is a very easy way to convince them and tell them and guide them how they can go on that platform, then they can start, because I am here to guide you only free. So jvg.com and clickbank.com, where you can earn good, because of lots of product in there. You can promote and generate your link and promote that, and if the person is purchasing from your link, then you will get a commission, huge amount of commission, like 70% commission on that platform. Amazon is providing only 8 to 12%, only 17% is higher on the ebooks, only in ebooks, not in the physical product like electronics, like in some like shirts, pants, like garments and tech part. So guys, affiliate marketing is a very good industry. You can start from anywhere. If you are wasting daily time on the social media, like 2 to 3 hours daily on just liking the shitty contents about the politics and whatever the going in there nowadays, like war, because they don't give you a single penny amount of this if you are liking that content. But if you are posting the content according to your topic, what you are promoting from the affiliate link, you will get a commission on this, na. So please monetize your content. Affiliate marketing is only the way. And lots of people the last days say me, it's a network marketing, it's a chain system. No, it's basically not a chain system. whatever, I will make a video about it. What is the difference between chain system and affiliate marketing? What is the difference between network marketing and affiliate marketing? Because you guys getting confused day by day. What is affiliate marketing, network marketing? And this is it's very horrible. People are thinking, and it's a network marketing. I don't want to make a chain with those people who can carry with these people who will convince you, and don't want to convince anyone. People will come to you and ask you what you do. I also want to do, because nowadays in this pandemic 150 million, more than 150 million people lost their jobs. They're founding the work on the online. How can they shift their businesses to the online? So they will come to you. If you are professional affiliate marketer or digital marketer, they will come to you, they ask you what you do. If you explain them in very good manner, they will not get any penny of doubt what is the network marketing. I know I have just starting just last month, 2 months ago, so I was just getting the doubts, because if you're not getting the challenge, you how can you get succeed in that work now? So you can guys start if you found your correct target audience. If you guys can find your correct target audience, you will get a good amount of commission, because the people have a loyalty and trust on you. So guys, if you have to make a loyalty and trust in the audience, and you will start promoting your products according to their need, if you are a digital entrepreneur. So best of luck, all of you. I hope you all are doing, and I think you like the video. Please hit the bell icon. No, sorry, subscribe the channel, and please like this video if you liked my content. If I will make a more product. And what is affiliate marketing, and how can you get success in physical product and recurring product? Yes, there are two type of products you can earn a lot. Thank you guys.